बिसिबांसो लाखानांगौ बुरजा लानांगौ होमबासो गोथाव जायो Welcome back to Eton Foodies. Today I've got some special dish which is known as the pork intestine prepared by the pork blood. And here I have dal. So आं दा जानोसै अमा बिबु मेजेमबो दं बिखा दं ओमफ्राय बिथैजों संनाय बे जाहैबाय दालि बे ओंखाम Now I start eating, you enjoy watching. Some dal. The pork intestine curry, guys. अमा बिबु बिथै गोथाव नुदों बुस्थुखौ See, check out the intestine of the pork. Bibu. Bora. Goodhow. Check out the intestine, guys. If you love eating, please comment down below. Bora. This is the pork belly, small piece of pork belly. Good. So I'll start eating now. I'm gonna give a big bite. I've added some dal, some gravy of this curry, the fat of the pork. Hey guys, check out. Mix nicely. Mix. So I'm gonna give big bites, guys. Check out. Boria. Good combo. First add the dal, get some gravy from the pork and add some lemon. Very good combo. Take this please. Boria. Tender. Intestine. Boria. Really tasty, guys. It's having a very delicious taste. Intestine and the liver. Oh yeah. Gonna add some more dal. Mix it. Get the fat of the pork. 어마 메sem니 비대. 라드 비부고 비방치 라가는 거 물을 하는 거 맛이 더 돼. 뭐야? Ini udah suka ya. Boleh dan bisa. Thank you mommy for preparing me a delicious food. Gì bữa sập bãi cơ khởi nó ra đây bạn. Boleh dan. Ini good rồi. Wystarczy. Dużo razy, nie? नोंथांमोनालाय जायोना जायालै बिबु आंथ' देनजार जाखायो बरिया बरिया जादों बरिया wajib ya masih goदिखौ होदो गोदिखौ होदो लेबु सेबदो squeeze the lemon will give you the sour taste really good guys try eating home it's really delicious very good combo okay guys mix up properly mix okay down get some pieces of the pork intestine keep it aside take a big bite of the rice take it eat it very tasty guys very delicious आगलायसिगोनसो नोंथांमोना जानोबा फैदो आंनि न'आव बरिया दा गोथाव दं भिडिअखौ बारा गोबाव बानायला आंनि लास्ट शट जानानै फोजोबसै very good guys okay guys please do like share subscribe comment thank you